We begin in the waters of North Busuanga, in the Calamian Islands of the Philippines, a region shaped by thousands of years of volcanic activity and ocean currents. This is a dugong, a close relative of the manatee. Dugongs are the only marine mammals that feed exclusively on seagrass. They are slow, deliberate animals, often spending hours grazing along the seabed. This individual is one of around 30 dugongs thought to inhabit the waters around North Busuanga. This is a rare opportunity to observe an animal that has remained largely unchanged for millions of years. Watch its movements, the stillness, the simplicity. This is how dugongs live, quietly, gently, and entirely underwater. Watch the full 360-degree documentary now, only on DOVR.